So I got this product here called the Last Coat. Wanted to show you all how well it works on plastics and things like that, so you can see how dirty this is. So we're gonna fully saturate and get the surface all wet. Now we're gonna take our microfiber and we're gonna wipe the surface clean. Now we're going to get our clean microfiber and we're going to remove the excess product. You can see how well it worked. Actually, I see a little bit right here. So that's pretty dirty. Yep, there you go. Stuff works amazing.